My name is Anna Thomas, and I'm a junior here at Christopher Newport. I'm majoring in communication studies and political science, and I'm an out-of-state student from Hartford, Connecticut. This right here is the Great Lawn, one of my favorite parts of CNU's campus. The lawn hosts many of CNU's annual events and traditions. In fact, almost 3 years ago, I was sitting on the Great Lawn at the Honors Convocation Cookout, where I rang the huge bell to signify the beginning of my 4 years here. And a little over a year from now, I'll ring the bell one more time at commencement and graduate in the exact same place I started, right here on the lawn. As a part of the Campus Activities Board, I also see the lawn as a venue for a lot of our events, including our annual Fall Fest, where we bring a ton of free food, games, activities, prizes, and just about everything you can imagine. The Great Lawn to me is a place where a lot of really great memories are made, and I hope that you can experience all that it has to offer.